This is my first time being up at this height, legends. We're not fully standing on the deck yet, but I would say we're a good 12-13 meters off the ground level. We are far high off the ground level from the street level. So yeah, this is easily one of the taller houses here in the town, in the immediate area. And by the time the building, the pavilion area is erected, Good morning, legends. It's vlog 154 on the Miles Roldan channel. And good morning, I am Miles Roldan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here in Roxas City, Capiz, Philippines. It's a slightly overcast day, low cloud cover, but I just know that the clouds will disperse and the sun will come out eventually. It's quite early in the morning. I've received news from the gang that everyone is there, ready and working. Today is the start of a brand new week. It's Monday. Let's get it. But it's also the week before Christmas. So we have got a couple of days off for Christmas, 2 or 3 days off for Christmas. So this week is very important. If you're new to the channel, you won't know this, but I'm Miles Roldan. I'm in the process of erecting a small, humble home for my family and I to enjoy. My parents are retired nurses from the UK, and we've come back to erect this tiny house, or this humble house, and I am in the process of documenting it all on this YouTube channel. If you saw the last vlog 153, you'll know that the steel decks have arrived, and we are in the process now of installing those steel decks, and half the team will be assigned to that, and the other half of the team will be assigned to the septic tank, the waste tank at the rear of the property design. So this week we'll be documenting that progress before the Christmas break, and I hope you will enjoy the content, because we will steadily see the progress as it happens and occurs. If you have any questions regarding what you're seeing, this vlog and our upcoming vlogs, please put them in the comment section below. If you're new to the channel, hit that like button, that subscribe button if you haven't already, and of course share my content as well. If you're one of my ongoing supporters, one of my legends, I can't do this without you. I do this all for you. I'm so close now to monetization. Get me over that finish line, and this all becomes worthwhile for myself and my family. And we'll continue to show you more and more vlogs as we progress here through the days here in the Philippines. With all that being said, I hope you enjoy vlog 154. 154 is coming up next. On with the vlog. Right, legends, I've just arrived here in Jim Jamz Color Roofing. This is actually where we got the top deck, steel deck, and I imagine I will also get a quote for them for our roofing. They're a very nice outfit, very kind to my father and I, so I decided to give them the business on this occasion. Hopefully the steel decks are of good quality. We'll find out during the install, and then we'll get a quote for the roofing on the final floor. Alright, so this is Jim Jamz Color Roofing here in Roxas City, Lawan. Legends, I'm with Daddio and Meng. We've just finished our business here in Roxas City. We're on our way now to Sapian and Capiz to the Dream Home building project. We actually finished our, or we paid for our steel deck that you would have seen in the previous vlog delivered at Jim Jamz Color Roofing in Roxas City, Lawan. Very nice people, very pleasant. They are always a good service and have been very kind to my father and I, so yeah, definitely we will use them again. So on to Sapian now, on with the vlog. Right legends, I've just arrived here in Sapian and Capiz at the Dream Home building project. Thank you so much for tagging along so far. Let's give you a brief update on the building works ongoing here. As it is Monday, it's the start of a brand new week. So you already know that we have some new ligi, or some new cavilla, new rebar being delivered, along with the steel deck that has been delivered in vlog 153. So I'm going to give you an update. We're also doing the septic tank at the back of the property, so I will also give you an update on that. So let's go inside. So legends, we're at the rear of the property. where this septic tank is being dug. We've made quite a bit of progress. You can see now we're at around the 3 meter mark, 4 meter mark, not long left, and then it will be deep enough to begin the hollow blocks for the septic tank. Quite dangerous here because there's work going on upstairs whilst they're draining this hole. This will be at least, I would say at least a 12,000 litre septic tank from the looks of it. 10,000 litres maybe, we'll see. I'd like to give you a better angle, but there's some craziness going on upstairs, so I don't want to, there's no helmets, I don't want to get injured if something falls on me. So again, for those who are unaware of what a waste tank is or a septic tank is, this is a tank that will be used to gather all the waste water for the property. We have 5 CRs, 5 showers, and all of the wastewater will collect here underground in a large tank that once full takes a year or so to fill up. We then employ a company, hire a company to come out, drain it, and it's up to them what they do with the rest of that sewage. Unlike Europe or London, there is no sewage system here in the Philippines. You kind of have to do this, and that's kind of where we're at with it. So we're just kind of adhering to the standards of Philippines and trying to make it something that is, 1, sanitary, 2, we don't have to empty it often, and 3, cost effective. If you have any questions, legends, about what you're seeing in today's vlog or any vlogs that you have seen of mine, put them in the comment section below. I'll be happy to get back to you. Remember to follow Miles Roldan on all social media platforms, including TikTok, Instagram. A big one here in the Philippines is Facebook. It's all under Miles Roldan. Just search Miles Roldan and you'll see my face there. Give it a follow. And of course, if you haven't already, the platform that you're watching this video on, YouTube, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that share button. It helps me out immensely in what I'm trying to achieve here. legends, we are back here for the afternoon session. I need to go back to Dalit for more rebar, and I need to buy some more welding rods with Nunoy Jobin and Tanoy. So let's get over there before I give you the update on the ongoings at our job site. So the electrical team are also here, legends, by the way. They've just arrived because they will do the electrical layout for the second floor as the steel decks are here now. Hi, DNC Jan. So they've gotten more of the tubos, the electrical tubes and piping for the electrical wiring from our lockup in Dalit. Rebar is why we are here, legends. Nunoy Jobin and Tanoy will get some more rebar, and we have some welding rods that we also need to buy from our friend Doris at RIC. crudo, boss. Pila noy? 200 pao. Pwede ka go to Roxas. Right, legends, so give you a quick update. So they've begun the hollow block process for this septic tank. They've already laid down the first row with rebar to help reinforce it. Should be good. They're just sipping more water out and they'll continue. So yeah, work is ongoing. All right, let's continue. So Uncle John is here now, and he is looks like he's sorting some of these junction boxes out, ready for his men to install on our brand new steel deck. This is the underside, legends. I'm gonna climb up and give you the top side in a second, but I just let you know the electrical team are here as well, just putting out the electrical layout for the second floor. Work is ongoing. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section and I'll be happy to get back to you. So you'll see, legends, the electrical team are working closely with our foreman Rocky, just double checking where everything is going, where sliding doors, where openings will be, so not to get any of the layout in the way. The steel deck, although it's on top of supports, it's not quite strong enough yet for me, I feel, to go up onto it yet. Not without some welding. So I hope you can bear with me, legends. Just a couple more days and I'll give you a look above of the sun deck. Because there are none of these hooks on yet properly. If you remember, if you've seen previous vlogs, these are welded onto the steel deck and then they are hooked on like so. Like so. And then they are welded on. So everything becomes a lot more stronger. None of that has gone on yet. Although the decks are down, they are not actually welded on or hooked on yet. They are literally just on the bamboo supports downstairs. So bear with me. This is just a brief introduction of what's gone on since the delivery on Friday. Today is Monday. It's the beginning of a brand new week. We have 5 or so days until the Christmas break, until Christmas time. And then everyone has a couple of days off. So our task is to get all of this steel deck secure before the break, and hopefully the septic tank below will also be ready and fully installed, and hopefully we'll have dirt on top of it by the time we break for Christmas. That's the plan anyway. No? This is my first time being up at this height, legends. We're not fully standing on the deck yet, but I would say we're a good 12-13 meters off the ground level. We are far high off the ground level from the street level. So yeah, this is easily one of the taller houses here in the town, in the immediate area. And by the time the building, the pavilion area is erected, it should surpass this building here to our right side. So you can see the electrical team and Foreman Rocky are concentrating and talking about their plans. Very good to see. I like to see it. Very good job, Foreman Rocky. Communication. Yeah, we are high. We are far from the ground here, legends. It's actually quite I'm not on any harness or anything, so I think I'm gonna go back down now, legends. Okay, all right, on with the vlog. Right, legends, that's it for vlog 154. Vlog 154 is in the can. I'm gonna go edit it now. If you are new to the channel, hit that like button, hit that share button, and of course hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you're one of my ongoing supporters, one of my legends, I can't do this without you. I do this all for you, so continue to support my journey here in the Philippines. With all that being said, I hope you join me for vlog 155. Vlog 155 is next. It's me, myself, and I, Miles Roldan. Thanks for watching.